Hello everybody. Now this is an update on a video I did earlier about the 7 batteries that I had. You can see they're the BTR Power LiPod, and this is the one that was completely dead. I took it apart, pulling it out of there, and this is what I found inside of it. This is the battery I found inside it. It's a giant piece of junk battery. You can see it's not the battery that was supposed to be inside the box. This is what the manufacturer sent me as a replacement. Just a big pile of junk. I mean, there was juice in it when I took it out. This was the BMS that was on it. I cut it off of there. It doesn't work. It's a piece of junk. And you can see underneath here, I don't know if you can see it, but these have been cut away. They should have looked like this. Maybe they were longer, but they've been cut away. Somebody just cut them off to fit this pile of crap battery. I mean, I'm sure this battery would probably be okay if the BMS worked, but the BMS totally does not work. It's a piece of junk. I mean, I could probably take these apart, or if I can get another BMS, which I personally don't want to hook this up to a BMS, but they had it crammed inside this box. You can see where they had it. This is where they had it taped across the bottom. It was wrapped up in this piece of this thing stuck in the bottom. I cut this off. Had this foam in there. Had a bunch of pieces of foam in there holding it together. But as far as I'm concerned, this is just a piece of dangerous material. You can see somebody, I don't know if the manufacturer, if this was a return from the manufacturer, or if somebody bought a battery like this one, replaced it with this piece of junk, because it's obviously, to me, the top has been modified for this to fit in there, for this big battery to fit in there. I mean, I can't say if the manufacturer did it, or if somebody bought it and returned and took out the good parts and put in this junky part in there. Because there are a lot of scumbags in the world that will do stuff like that. I just wanted to give you an update on the one battery didn't work, because I did, like I said, I did dissect it, and I came up with a bunch of crap inside it. This does work. This did have voltage in it, and I charged it separately from the BMS over there, because I do have a 1.5 amp LiPo battery charger, which is perfect for charging crappy batteries because you don't overcharge them. I just wanted to give you an update on why that one battery in that the BTR video I did earlier, why it didn't work. Well, the BMS didn't work. That was the issue with it. Thank you.